friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set AppLock on Poco mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you can see here is the search setting. Okay, sorry, here you can see search setting. Just click on it. When you click on it, here just write the egg in the capital letter. After that type PP, okay, double P. Then here is the app lock. Okay, just move on app lock. After that, here you can confirm this app lock by this pattern or by fingerprint. Okay, suppose I confirm this app lock by fingerprint, so you can see here is the app lock, and I set app lock for these two apps. Okay, and if you want to set app lock, what you need to do is that you just need to click on this icon like this. Here the app lock will be set successfully. You just need to click like this. Okay, if you want to remove, what you need to do is that friends, again you just click on this icon. Here the apps will be removed. Okay, you can see you just need to click like this, it will be removed. And if you want to set app lock, again you have to click on this icon. Here the app lock has been set, and if you want to set again, set here like this. By just clicking on these icons, the app will be in the under the lock. Okay, if you want to remove, again you just click on this icon, it will be removed. Okay, so friends, if you love this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.